Good morning. This is our campsite at Shoals. I'm going to walk down here. We have this beautiful view of the White River. This little path that walks from the back of our camper back down here. My coffee cup in the way. It's early in the morning. And this is why we love camping. It's quiet, peaceful. There's our spot there. Of course, the warning signs they have to put there. It kind of distracts from the beauty just a little bit, but they're very necessary. This is it. Stairs that go down to the river. And there's the river. All you hear is nature sounds and river. A really, really nice break from everyday hustle and bustle of work. Just steps away from where we lay our head down at night. Isn't it beautiful? Everyone have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I pray you do something fun or relaxing, whatever that is. Sometimes it's just laying in the backyard in the hammock for me. Whatever it is, y'all have a wonderful day. Some of us are still working. I'm not. I took a few days off. But whatever you do, have a great day.